Hello folks, this is going to be a cold start of the Dodge Journey SXT. This, for God's sake, this has got the 2-liter turbo diesel in it. As you can see, it's sort of, well, it's not actually snow. It's only -5 out. It's not too bad, but it's been -5 for a little while, so I'm just gonna. Oh my god, it's cold. I've got a coat on, but it's not very warm. I'm just setting up the heat and all that before I start, because I need to go scrape the other car as well. I can't see it now. I'll just get this. Alright, yeah, I'll probably start instantly. I didn't want to start there. I've not touched the accelerator, it's just... It's doing, it started off at 2000 RPM. Doesn't usually, it just stays at about 800, but it just slowly went down, so it's alright. Oh god. This car, it's got the triple zone. It's got a driver, passenger, and the 2 back rows, which is quite nice. It means that everyone can have their own setting. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna go clean everything off. I'll do another video with the Volkswagen Transporter, but we're not going in that yet, so I just need to start this. Alright, bye.